How to fix FragPunk not starting or launching on Steam. So in this video, I will show you how to fix that problem. Now, step number one, restart the Steam. So first close this Steam completely and restart it. Sometimes just restarting the Steam or the Steam can fix the problem, but make sure that Steam is fully closed before you open it again. And after that, verify the game file. So how to do that? So next, go to your Steam library, right click on FragPunk and select the properties. Then click on the local files tab and then choose to verify integrity of games files. And after that, Steam will check if anything or yes, anything is missing or broken, and it will fix it for you. Now, after that, update your graphic drivers. So outdated graphic drivers can stop the game from launching. Now, to fix this, go to your graphics card website like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, or any cartographic that you use on your PC, and download the latest drivers, install them, and restart your computer. And after that, run Steam as administrator. So sometimes running Steam as administrator can help fix launching problems. To do this, right click on the Steam icon and select Run as administrator. So this is how to fix FragPunk not starting or launching on Steam. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.